Today I want to share a very simple, home-style shiitake mushroom dish that is perfect with rice. Many people think mushrooms are only good for soup, but if you cook them the right way, shiitake mushrooms can be very fragrant and full of texture, just as satisfying as a meat dish. Before cooking this dish, the first and most important step is cleaning the mushrooms well. Shiitake mushrooms have many folds, and dirt can easily hide inside them. Rinsing with water alone is not enough. Put the mushrooms into a large bowl. Add a little flour, 1 spoon of salt, and a small pinch of baking soda. Pour in warm water and gently mix with your hand. Let them soak for about 5 minutes. After pouring out the water, you will see it is cloudy, which means the dirt has come out. Rinse again with clean water until the water becomes clear. This step is very important. After washing, let the mushrooms drain. Cut the chili peppers into rings, chop the garlic, and finely slice the ginger. Then prepare the sauce in advance. Add 1 spoon of salt, half a spoon of sugar, 3 spoons of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of starch, and a little water. Mix well and set aside. Heat water in a pot. When small bubbles appear, add 1 spoon of salt and put in the mushrooms. Cook until they just become soft. Take them out and place them into cold water, then gently squeeze out the excess water. Cut shallow cross lines on the surface of the mushrooms. Do not cut too deep. Put them into a bowl, add a little dry starch, and mix well so each mushroom has a thin coating. This is the key to a crispy outside. Heat a flat pan and add enough oil to cover the bottom. Fry the mushrooms over medium-low heat. When one side turns golden, flip and cook the other side. Be patient and keep the heat low to avoid burning. Leave a little oil in the pan, add ginger, garlic, and chili, and cook over low heat until fragrant. Pour in the sauce and stir while heating until it thickens and starts to bubble, then turn off the heat. Pour the sauce over the fried mushrooms and sprinkle with chopped green onions. The dish is crispy on the outside and soft inside, with a rich garlic and sauce flavor that goes perfectly with rice. If you don't want to cook meat or want something light but still full of flavor, this mushroom dish is a great choice. The steps are simple and the ingredients are easy to find. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.